So yun po, no? Tapos na po yung rice battle natin, white versus brown versus red. So we come to a conclusion. So nauna po dun sa experiment natin would be yung white rice, no? So medyo maganda po yung resulta ng white rice. Nag-start po tayo ng blood sugar level at 104, went up to 138 after an hour, and then on the second hour po, 121 po yung final reading niya. So that's within the threshold. 140 po kasing threshold natin after 2 hours. Next, dun po sa experiment natin is yung brown rice, no? So yung brown rice po, that wasn't that was not my expectation kasi may mga articles po ako na nabasa, no? So maganda daw po yung glycemic index ni brown, so healthier po siya compared to white, pero it's the opposite. Nag-start po tayo ng 112, went up to 180 after 1 hour, and then after 2 hours, 144 po yung final reading ni brown rice. So that's beyond threshold. So again, as I've mentioned before, no, ang threshold po natin 140 and below. Yung red rice naman po, last dun po sa experiment natin, no. So mababa po yung blood sugar level when I started the day, 84 po yung blood sugar level. And then after eating red rice, after an hour, umakyat po siya na 135. Tapos, ang final reading po niya was 116. Although it's within the threshold, 140 po yung threshold natin, well, pwede naman po siyang i-recommend yung red rice, pero again, no, we have to be very cautious about eating rice kasi we have to limit it to 1 cup. Iba po kasi yung epekto niyan pag nag 2 cups. Meron po akong separate video about 1 cup versus 2 cups of rice. So silipin nyo rin po siya para makita nyo po kung gaano po kalaki yung difference niya. So, yung final blood spikes po natin, no? Si white po, plus 17 after 2 hours. Si brown, plus 32. And si red, plus 32. So, it seems na halos pareho lang po. I mean, pareho lang po si red and si brown. So, kung mag start po tayo on the same blood sugar level, pareho lang po yung ending ni brown and ni red after 2 hours. So, si white po, medyo controlled pa po siya. Yun. So that's the end of our rice experiment. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.